Hey, welcome to the podcast. Ready to talk about the massive hype around the India-Pakistan match?
Oh, I'm so ready. But man, have you seen the weather report for Colombo? It's looking pretty grim.
Don't tell me. Rain? Is it actually going to wash out the whole thing?
Basically, rain is predicted all day, even right at the 7 p.m. start time. And the kicker? There's no reserve day for this match.
Wait, no reserve day? So if it's a washout, they just split the points?
Exactly. They both get a point, which pretty much guarantees both teams move to the next round. But let's be real. The fans want a fight, not a technicality.
Totally. Nobody wants to sit in their blanket on a Sunday just to see a wet pitch. But even with the rain, the hype is insane because of the drama between the captains. Speaking of drama, what's this I'm hearing about the handshake? Are they actually refusing to shake hands?
It's tense. Apparently, after the last Asia Cup and some incidents with Haris Rauf, the tradition of handshakes kind of stopped. Pakistan's captain, Salman Ali Agha, actually made it a point to say he wants to play with the spirit of cricket and have that handshake.
And Suryakumar Yadav, did he give in?
He's being a total mystery. When journalists grilled him about it, he just told them to wait 24 hours. He wouldn't confirm or deny. He basically said, "We're here to play cricket. We'll decide on the handshake later."
That is such a power move. It's going to be huge news either way. But hey, what about that bowler everyone is talking about? Usman Tariq.
Oh, his action is the talk of the town. Even though it's technically legal, that pause in his delivery is tripping everyone out. Team India was even caught on film trying to mimic it in practice.
Wait, I saw that. Surya was trying to copy the pause, right? Did it work?
He got the pause down, but he couldn't quite get the low release point Tariq has. Still, the Indian batters like Rinku Singh seem to be reading it well in practice, hitting Surya for big sixes.
That's good news for India. What's the deal with Abhishek Sharma? There were rumors he was injured.
Yeah, Salman Ali Agha actually said he hopes Abhishek is fit because he wants to play against a full-power Indian team. He's basically asking for trouble considering how Abhishek destroyed their pacers last time.
Bold move. Did Surya respond to that?
He did. Surya basically said his wish will be granted. It's a clear sign Abhishek is playing and ready to go.
Man, I really hope the rain stays away. This sounds like it could be a legendary match.
I know, right?